Hi guys, in here I want briefly explain differences between consequences, implications, and corollary, and give some actual example from PT. Consequences, it's what happened after something directly, and we can't see, we can't feel, we can't touch that. And it's in PT test we can see that in the climate change and environment, or sometimes political consequences. But implication, it's something it's, suggesting, and even can we cannot say directly about that, and because should be happen or shouldn't be happen. And in PTE tests, we can see that in the academic studies suggestion or decision. And for corollary, we can only think the logical flow up and in political decision.